If your garage door cables are frayed or broken, it's probably why your door is acting up and not opening or closing right. So first off, don't mess around with those cables if you're not sure what you're doing because they're under serious tension and can snap back hard. Start by unplugging the garage door opener so nothing surprises you. Next, check the cables on both sides of the door to see if they're worn out or snapped. If they are, you'll need to loosen the tension on the springs before you try removing the old cables. That's super important for safety. Grab some replacement cables that match your door model and carefully thread them through the pulleys and drums just like the old ones were set up. Tighten everything back up, making sure the cables are even on both sides. Uneven cables can mess with how smooth your door moves. Test the door by lifting it manually first to see if it moves freely without resistance. Once it feels good, plug the opener back in and watch it go. If it still jams or makes noise, double check the cable tension and alignment. One of the biggest problems with fixing garage door cables is trying to do it without releasing the spring tension first. This can be super dangerous and lead to injury or damage. Another common mistake is using the wrong type or size of cable, which causes the door to operate poorly and wears out faster. Also, lots of people forget to check if the pulleys or drums are damaged while replacing cables, but if those parts are bad, new cables won't fix the problem. To avoid these issues, always make sure you understand how to safely handle spring tension or call a pro. Use cables specified for your garage door model and inspect all hardware before putting everything back together. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about garage doors and other home fixes. Plus, it helps contractors find real work from people nearby, making sure everyone gets hooked up with the right help quickly and hassle-free.